Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we will be taking a closer look at a collaboration done with the Nike SB team on the Nike SB Dunk Lows, and this is in collaboration with April Skateboards. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, be sure to hit that subscribe button right now and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxings and reviews. Today we are going to be going over a collaboration on the Nike SB Dunk Low with April Skateboards. We'll go through the overview of these, then jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this really just futuristic looking Nike SB Dunk Low. Then we'll conclude with how these are doing currently on the resale market. Let's jump right into it. So for those of you who are thinking those look similar to a recent drop, and you are correct. These actually, I feel like, are very reminiscent of those turbo green Air Jordan 1 highs. I feel like it is a very similar kind of pattern, texture, and color scheme. So they've kind of implemented that as well on this specific collaboration. For those of you who don't know what April Skateboards is, that was started by Shane O'Neill, and pretty much a very cool just implementation of what April Skateboards represents from past to present. So as you can kind of see, it does have this worn effect going on here, so kind of gives this aged feel, but April Skateboards was started in 2019, so pretty new, I guess, brand as far as it goes, but really cool materials that they decided to go with. I will give it to them. They killed it with the tumbled leather on the toe box here. It's very, very nice. And we've got some simple white laces and this interesting matte finish to cover the meshing on here. This isn't something you typically see on a tongue, so I'm not exactly sure why they've added that, except for more of an artistic feel, because it does kind of look cool matted, but it will kind of keep you from having that breathability in the tongue itself. You're probably only going to get that coming through on the toe box here where there's perforation. We've got a nice tumbled leather tag here with the April logo and then Dunk Low Pro on the top, and then you do get an additional set of laces here in white. Let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side paneling. All right, so wrapping around to the side paneling, what is also kind of interesting is they decided to actually use meshing on the side panels here instead of that tumbled leather, giving it more of a textured look. And then we've got this nice futuristic metallic Nike swoosh. This is definitely my favorite part of the sneaker, and I feel like it kind of makes it this perfect holiday sneaker as well with the color combinations they selected. And as we wrap around to the back, we're still getting more metallic accents. So you're seeing that on April here on top of some tumbled leather. And then as we wrap around to the lateral side, you're still getting that futuristic metallic Nike swoosh, and then April on the bottom here. So April is pretty much representative of the 4th month that O'Neill basically decided to part ways with the brand Primitive and start April Skateboards. So pretty important messaging there as far as the brand itself goes. The interior has different pops of color. So we've got actually this pop of orange and then some dual branding of April and Nike SB on the interior side. And it looks like we do have a really cool design of a rose on the inside. And then when we work our way to the bottom of the midsole, we've got a clean white midsole and then this nice icy blue tone for the outsole. And then again, that same rose that you saw on the insole, you're seeing on the outsole as well. All right, so let's take a look at those last and final details, then jump into size and fit. So as far as size and fit, I definitely like to size half a size up in my Nike SBs just because typically the tongue is on the thicker side. So you are getting a chunkier tongue with this, as well as some additional padding on the back here for that extra support and cushion. As far as the sock styling for the segment, for those of you who don't know, I am actually doing a collaboration with Apothecary, and we have a special edition holiday sock that we'll be releasing on December 15th, which I think is actually the perfect sock to go with these April Nike SB Dunk Lows. And it is a nice white crew sock with some nice metallic silver wrapping around the sock. So be sure to snag a pair when that release comes out this week. All right, so now let's talk about how I styled this. This, again, I think is just such a great sneaker to be releasing during the holiday season. So I really had fun styling this. For the first look, I decided to wear just a simple black hoodie zip up with some nice metallic silver denim pants. Definitely wanted to play off of the nice metallic silver that you see throughout the sneaker itself. Then for the second look, I decided to go pretty monochromatic with a nice cream top and cream bottom for more of a comfy casual look. For a more dressed up look, I decided to go with a sequined maxi skirt and a Fender kind of distressed looking gray crew neck sweatshirt. All right, so now let's talk about how much these retailed for. So these retailed at $120 and they're currently going between $230 to $420. So a bit of resale on the market right now. I can see why, just because again, I think that this is just a good looking Nike SB Dunk. Pretty simple to style. The color combination is amazing. And again, just a great all around holiday sneaker release. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, be sure to do that now. Give this video a thumbs up. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all next episode.